What is going on, everyone? Let's talk about real estate as is contract and traffic. Okay, so what do they have to do with each other? It's very important. So let's say you're looking at a house and it's Sunday or Saturday and the traffic's not bad like this. And you're saying, oh, this is great. I can buy this house. My commute's only about 20, 30 minutes to work. I can live with that, great. You go in the contract, you don't think about that again, and you're doing your inspections. This is where people don't use the as-is contract to their advantage. The as-is contract inspection time frame isn't just for home inspections, it's for you to inspect everything. So let me give you a perfect example. We had a client, the traffic looked just like this, and it was a Saturday. And I said, during the inspection time frame, I want you to go back there at 6 a.m. on a Monday or Tuesday as if you were getting ready to go to work. And they did that. And it was like an hour and a half to get to work. And they said, I can't live like this. I can't commute an hour and a half. And then on the way back was an hour. So it was like a 2-hour difference of what they thought. Well, now within the as-is contract, they can back out because they inspected not just the house, they inspected the traffic. And you can inspect your neighbors, you can inspect the community, you can inspect whatever you want. But you have to use the as-is contract to your advantage because traffic could be a burden to your lifestyle. Nobody wants to be in traffic for an extra hour each way to work. But if you don't know that and then you buy the house, your misery, I don't want to see people miserable in traffic. You can now take advantage of it. Keep following us. This is what we're here for all your real estate education and tips.